Welcome to my little country kitchen. My name is Marianne, and today we are making bruschetta in a jar. So let me show you the recipe that I found. Found this on the ballmasonjars.com recipe, so the ball recipe book. It only takes 20 minutes to prep, 20 minutes to process, so let's get started with 9 cups of cord plums. I'm going to dump them in a pot. Okay, so 9 cups of chopped and plum tomatoes, about 1-inch pieces, and 5 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. And here it is. I hear that there's an enzyme in garlic if you chop it and then let it sit for at least 15 minutes before you cook it. It brings out that enzyme that is really good for your digestion. Whatever that's called. Okay. And 1 cup of dry white wine. Well, I never buy wine, so I'm just going to be using apple juice. Wine is basically just fermented juice, right? So, sort of work. And then 1 cup of white vinegar. Okay. Oh, I was supposed to do a full one of these. Oh, that's a full cup. Now, half a cup of water. And 2 tablespoons of dried basil. I have my big giant jar that I bought in bulk. I believe I got this from Azure Standard. 1, 2, and 2 tablespoons of dried oregano. And this oregano I grew myself. I believe it's actually it came from my garden stock, so I haven't quite see how it's still kind of together, so I'm going to rub it like that, crush it up like that, and you wait until the last second, then the smell will be even more powerful. And then 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Go ahead and get this warmed up. We just warm it up for 5 minutes and then we can fill the jars. And my jars are already warm, they're waiting for me. And because I have a lot of them, I'm going to go ahead and add some cherry tomatoes. They're called sun sugars. They're really yummy, just for a pop of color. Okay, now it's finally able to open the balsamic vinegar. Okay, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Now we just let this heat up for 5 minutes. We'll be right back. This has come up to temperature. You're really just wanting to heat up the garlic and then it's done. Okay, now we're going to fill the jars. The bruschetta is done. So let's take it out. Oh no! That means one of the jars cracked. That's no fun. Oh my, that's hot. I need to do a better job of inspecting my jars. Well, maybe the one of the jars didn't break. Maybe one of the rings just came off. Yeah, looks like this ring definitely came off. On two of them, I have rings at the bottom of the pot. Yep, that was the culprit. Oopsie, my bad. That's a user error. I apparently didn't tighten them very much. Okay. Look at my bruschetta. It's beautiful. We'll try it tomorrow when it cools off. So, tasting the bruschetta after it's been marinating for like 2 months. I'm gonna taste it. I don't have any bread right now, so this will work. Yeah, my husband said it is very vinegary, but I mean, I think that's what it's supposed to taste like. I don't care for it. I probably won't make it again. But thank you for joining me. Hope you guys all have a Merry Christmas. Look at my cute shirt. Okay.